In this video, we're going to learn about the different types of injection. There are 4 different types of injection, and there are the ZTTRAC technique, the subcutaneous injection, the intradermal injection, and the intramuscular injection. The ZTTRAC technique is recommended for intramuscular injection to prevent leakage into the subcutaneous tissue and decreases the chance for local irritation. How do we perform this technique? We perform this technique by pulling or pushing the skin 2 to 3 centimeters away from the injection site with the non-dominant hand. For example, myself, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my left hand to do this procedure. Number 2, we base the skin at a 90-degree angle and press the plunger slowly. If resistance occurs, we pause, then resume depressing the plunger. Lastly, we withdraw the needle and release the skin. Number 2 is the subcutaneous injection. The subcutaneous injection is insertion of medication between the dermis and the muscle. The volume of solution injected should be less than 1 ml of solution, and the gauge of the needle used is from number 25 to 28. There are of course size, and there are 4 sizes for the subcutaneous injection. The arm, which is at the outer posterior aspect of the upper arms. The abdomen, which is at or below the belly button and interior thighs and upper buttocks. The intradermal injection is insertion of medication into the dermis, which is just below the epidermis and above the subcutaneous layer. The volume of solution injection should be between 0.01 to 0.1 ml of solution, and the gauge of the needle used is from number 25 to 28. The common site for the intradermal injection is the interior aspect of the forearm and back and upper chest. The intramuscular injection is insertion of medication into a muscle below the subcutaneous layer. The volume of solution injected depends on the site used and patient characteristics. For example, patient age, patient weight, etc. The intramuscular injection is insertion of medication into a muscle below the subcutaneous layer. The volume of solution injected depends on the site used and patient characteristics. The volume of solution can be injected up to 3 ml in a large muscle such as the dorsal gluteal site in adults. Insert only 1 to 2 ml of solution into less developed muscle associated with children, older adults, and thin patients. And insert from 0.5 to 1 ml of solution into the deltoid muscle in adult. And there are 4 common sites for the intramuscular injection: the deltoid muscle, and the ventris gluteus medius muscle, the vastus lateralis, and the dorsal gluteal site. Now I'm going to talk intensively about the dorsal gluteal site and how to inject properly. The dorsal gluteal site is the upper outer quadrants of the buttocks. How do we identify this muscle? We identify this muscle by dividing the buttocks into 4 imaginary quadrants. Then we palpate the posterior iliac spine and greater trochinator. After that, we draw an imaginary diagonal line between the 2 muscles. Now I'm going to show you how to inject properly. If the method of injection is correct, the lamp of the device will turn green. And if the method of injection is incorrect, the device will turn red.